Welcome.
Welcome to the internet.
Welcome.
Welcome to the internet.
There are over 20 features currently in Nearpod, 10 of which we will interact with that provide limitless digital creativity, starting with inserting web content, which allows any website to be linked and interacted with. Next, we will show you how to insert a poll into your presentation so you can get a read of your room quickly. Then we will move to the Collaborate feature, where students will be able to submit a virtual post-it. Followed by audio. We'll look at the positives and negatives and even the workarounds for audio. And then we move on to the assessment tools such as fill in the blanks, draw it, matching pairs, quizzes, and open-ended questions. All of these will be demonstrated, interacted with, and explained. And finally, video. This is the embedded video that you are watching now. We will show you how to take a YouTube video and embed it into your Nearpod. Welcome to the Nearpod experience.
Welcome.